Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Alfred and this is HandsOn HigherEd, where our goal is to provide you with practical advice and tools to make you a more efficient higher ed professional. If this sounds like the type of content you're interested in, go ahead and like our videos and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to provide you with awesome weekly tips. This week we're going to be talking about meeting agendas. Now, if you've ever worked for any organization, then chances are you've come across meeting agendas that look like this. While meeting agendas like this are definitely effective, they're not always the most efficient. In today's YouTube video, we're going to show you another option. The most important step you can take towards running more efficient meetings is placing your agenda into an online format like Google Docs. If Google Docs isn't available, consider using programs like OneDrive or Box, which actually both allow you to work with normal Word documents in a collaborative online environment. Next, you'll want to title your meeting agenda so it can be easily found through your program's search feature. And finally, you'll want to be able to provide the date, time, and location for your meetings. Whether you're facilitating meetings for groups of student leaders or professional staff members, identify roles for attendees. This is going to help increase participation in the meeting while also developing these individual skills in a variety of areas. We recommend the following roles: facilitator, timer, note taker, and parliamentarian. With these roles, you'll want to encourage people like your timer to signal when a topic is reaching its end. This is especially important if you have a speaker who tends to provide a lot of context, like me. Additionally, your parliamentarian role should maintain a speakers list for each topic. That means administrators, professional staff, and students will all need to wait their turn before speaking. The major meeting goals section of your agenda should include topics you absolutely have to cover by the end of your meeting. These are usually time-sensitive or highly important for your team. For example, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do that so we can keep making great content for you. Also, if you don't want to create the agenda from scratch, go ahead and email us at handsonhighered@gmail.com so we can send you a copy. Meeting attendees should use the question section of this agenda to write out any questions they're hoping to get clarity on during the meeting. Since these questions are often last-minute thoughts, remind your attendees that a resolution to the question may not be possible until after the meeting. Since we like to encourage solution-focused problem-solving, we always ask that people submitting questions also submit the proposed solution to those questions. This is going to help provide insight into what works best for the people implementing the processes being discussed. The action step is here for those cases when multiple steps need to be taken to address a more complex question, and the resolve section is reserved for providing the answer to the question once it's found. This is definitely going to want to be updated as soon as possible after your meeting. The purpose section of this agenda is your key. It shows attendees what type of discussion should be given for each topic. Here you'll actually see discussion types like event planning, seeking input, information, decision-making, problem-solving, and other. Below, you'll also see us put those into action with the topics of our agenda. In most agendas we've seen in our field, the facilitator for the meeting is the only person responsible for making the agenda. With this agenda method, attendees now also have the power to add agenda items they would like to see discussed. This is great for committees who want to provide reports or for having discussions on other important topics. Just be mindful that the total number of minutes doesn't go over the time available for your meeting. In order to be as successful as possible in this area, we recommend that you follow these steps. You can go ahead and close out your meeting agenda by logging tasks to complete for individuals who attended your meeting, including the section for your department's upcoming deadlines, and mentioning any other relevant dates for your attendees. Once you're ready to start planning next week's meeting agenda, simply copy this week's, paste it at the top of the document, then change the information to reflect what you'd like to discuss next. We hope this sparks some ideas for your meeting agendas moving forward. Let us know what meeting agenda tips you have in the comments section below. If you liked our video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on social media at HandsOn HigherEd. See you next time.